Hi everyone, this is my ceiling fan. Notice when you change the speed, it doesn't instantly jump too fast, it smoothly accelerates. It's not an accident, it's careful engineering and the math behind it uses Laplace transform. Today I'll show you how. The fan has a motor and blades. The blades have mass and inertia. They resist sudden changes. When you increase the speed, the motor applies more force, but the blades accelerate gradually. This creates a simpler relationship. Solving this differential equation for different input is hard. Here's where Laplace transform helps. It converts derivatives into simple algebra. Now our equation becomes this and we can solve easily. This is called the transfer function g of s. The t is the time constant. It tells us how fast the system responds. Let's see this in action. Right now, low speed. When I switch to high, watch carefully, it takes about 1 to 2 seconds to reach full speed. Why does this matter? Because engineers use g of s to design the perfect response. Because if t is too small, ang output ay magkakaroon ng jerky motion, noise, and wear. Kapag naman t is too large, pwedeng sluggish ang response. Kaya dapat tama lang para smooth and quiet operation. So from a simple fan speed change, we got a differential equation. Laplace gave us the transfer function g of s equals k over ts plus 1. This isn't just math, it's the tool engineers use to make systems respond smoothly and predictably. From our quiet ceiling fan to electric car acceleration to industrial robots, they all use this same principle. Laplace transforms turn physical behavior into design blueprints. I am Ronaldino Reynor Salado and thanks for watching.